Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can earn money by liking photos, liking videos, and uploading your photos and uploading your simple videos. So if you want to earn real money, then this video is for you. Please don't skip the video, and if you like this kind of content, please subscribe to the channel and please like the video for the motivation. So first, this website link will be in the description below as well. Please sign up, and if you are signing up from my link, you will get $2 for free, and it's 100% real, and there is a lot of payment proof with me. So after clicking on the description link below, you can see here there is two options. One is the like option. This is the green, and this is the red color, and this is the dislike option. You have to like or dislike this, and you have to click on the like or dislike button. After clicking on these buttons, then another step will come up, and you have to input your email address, set new password, and confirm your password, and click on check this box right here and click on register and redeem now. What's redeeming? It's my code, and you are signing up from my link. It's redeeming you at $2. And one thing in mind, if you are not if this website is not available in your country, you have to connect a VPN with USA. You can connect Turbo VPN and another VPNs you can search for in the Play Store. So let's jump into the website. This is the website. Invite, and you can invite, and I will click on the wait button. So this is the free way, and all of these are the free ways. So you can see here, this is the like button, this is the like button, and this one is the dislike button. You can see here, this is the dislike and this is the like. So you have to give like or dislike. So for example, I will get this like. So you can see here, these are the videos and the photos that you can like and earn money. So I have signed up, and you can see here I have earned successfully $2, and this is when I like. So I will click on this button right here. I will click on, and you can see here I have earned. So you will be seeing in this section the earning of my like. So I will click on the like, and you can see here the earning. So I have liked the photos. So this is the first method of earning, and if you watch the video from first, you can see here this was my first balance was 2.0015, and now it's 21. So another ways that you can earn money online fast and free, you have to click on the three dots, and after clicking on the three dots, the fastest way of the earning is refer a friend. So after clicking on refer a friend, and another way is come up as well. So when you invite one friend, you will get $2. You will earn $2 for every friend you invite, and your friend will get a bonus too. So the another way is by uploading your photos and uploading your videos. When everyone likes or dislikes it, you will earn money. So you have to click on my upload buttons, my uploads, after clicking on my uploads button, and this is the upload button. You can see here you have to click on this button and upload a photo or a video that you want to upload to this website. And another way of earning, so these are the ways of earning, and this is 100% legit website as well. And you have to, after, if so, for withdrawing your money, you have to click on the redeem rewards button. After clicking on the redeem rewards button, when you sign up for this website, you can already convert $2 to the $5 Amazon gift card. You can see here this is available right now for me. So you can see here $5. And you can see here you can redeem $10 of the PayPal gift card. So you can see here this is the PayPal gift card of $10, and when you invite 4 friends, you can redeem $10 to your PayPal account. So this is the way of earning real money, and if you sign up from my link, you will get $2 in a bonus. And please do use a VPN if it's not available in your country. So all this for that video, and the link will be in the description below. All this for that video. Like the video, share the video with your friends, and please subscribe to the channel. Bye.